The switch statement in C is an efficient alternative to if-else ladders. This is so long as the if-else condition you're testing is equality, otherwise the switch statement won't work. Let's pretend you're entering a number between 1 and 3 and you want to print out the value of the number you entered. That's a great case for a switch. The first part of the switch is switch, the value you're evaluating, so you literally put, in this case, switch X. Next comes the 1 through 3 cases. What these cases are implicitly saying is, if X equals this value in the case, then do the code that's indented under it. So if X equals 1, then do the code under case 1. If you're enjoying this, I make new C videos every Tuesday and Thursday, so make sure to subscribe. We want to print out X's value, so let's put under every case printing out X's value. Now that we've done that, there's two things missing from this code. The first thing is, while not totally needed, it's bad practice to not have a default case when the user could be naughty and enter any number they want. A default case is the case that's ran if X equals none of the values in the cases. So, to do default, just write default : then indent it like the other cases. We'll just print naughty under the default case. There's one thing left to add. In the current code structure, nothing's stopping the code from evaluating case 1, X being equal to 1, then every other case below it running. That's just how cases work in C. If you don't explicitly say to break out of the switch statement after a case that's evaluated to true, then every other case below it will evaluate as well. So the finishing touch is to add break below the first 3 cases after their respective prints. One last thing, the default case really doesn't need a break because it's always the last to execute. Like to learn more.